Have you ever wondered how people make money just by trading currencies from their phone? It's not magic, it is Forex trading. And today, I'm breaking it all down in a way anyone can understand. Stick around, this might just change how you see money. Hey traders and future money makers, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell because we are diving deep into Forex, side hustles and financial freedom every week. Stepping into Forex without understanding the basic terminology is like traveling abroad without learning the language. What is Forex? Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the biggest financial market in the world. Over $7 trillion is being traded every single day. You are basically buying one currency and selling another. Think of it this way. Ever traveled abroad and exchanged money? Congratulations, you are from Forex. How it works, you trade in currency pairs like Euro USD. If you believe the Euro will rise against the dollar, you buy. If you think it will fall, you sell. Simple idea, but it gets deeper. And traders make money from small price movements. That is where terms like pips, loss, and leverage comes in. Don't worry, I will break it down in upcoming video. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Why is everybody talking about Forex? Why is Forex popular? It's a global trade. It's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and you can start with little as $50 US. Plus, with leverage, you can control big trade with small capital, but that is risky. More on that in a second. The real truth. Here is the real talk. Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You can lose money fast if you don't manage risks. Many people jump into Forex without learning the risks involved, but I'm here to teach you how to trade the smart way. Here are some beginner's tips you should practice. Start with a demo account. It is risk-free. Use stop losses to protect your money. Now don't over-leverage just because you can trade big. Doesn't mean you should. Stay updated with global news. Forex is sensitive to world update. Want to see live trade, step-by-step tutorials? Let me know in the comment section. If you find this helpful, drop a like. It really helps the channel to grow. Don't forget to subscribe because in my next video, I'll be revealing the top 3 strategies for beginners. I know you wouldn't want to miss this.